Good morning, guys. Today we have Udisha. She is MTech second year student at IST Shibpur. And the best thing about Udisha is that she is good at both analog and digital VLSI. So Udisha, we just want to know that what you did, and you, as we know that you have already published one paper as well. So आपने क्या क्या करा, एक स्टूडेंट जो MTech में आता है उसको क्या फॉलो करना चाहिए कि वो एक अच्छा डिज़ाइनर बन सके, डजेंट मैटर वो एनालॉग है या डिजिटल, बिकॉज आपने दोनों में कर रखा है. तो एक अच्छा एनालॉग डिज़ाइनर या फिर एक अच्छा डिजिटल डिज़ाइनर बनने के लिए उसको कौन कौन से टूल्स सीखने चाहिए, कौन कौन सी बुक्स प्रेफर करनी चाहिए, और अगर हो सके तो कौन कौन सा प्लेलिस्ट फॉलो करना चाहिए यूट्यूब पे या फिर और कहीं पे भी.
So for analog, basic of electronics is important, and that we have basically we learned from our BTech course. And apart from that, strong foundation on network theory. And if we want to focus more on analog VLSI, then apart from the basic electronics part, you have to learn the designing part, which is mostly covered in Vezad Razavi book. So that is the foundation of analog VLSI. And apart from like book, if you want to follow any YouTube channel, you have to go through the Vezad Razavi YouTube channel, and as well some IIT professors like in PTL videos like Shanti Pawan, and also there is one Saurabh Saxena and IIT Kanpur channel. So these are some YouTube channels that you need to follow to cover basics of analog VLSI. And for designing part, apart from theory, you need to focus first on learning the cadence tool, and just implement basic amplifiers, and then go for higher topics like oscillator and PLL and PGR, those things. And these are the part of analog VLSI. And for digital VLSI, first you need to learn the basics of combinational circuit and sequential. Then learn the one thing that is very important, that is Verilog or system Verilog, and implement basic circuits like combinational and sequential, flip-flops, all those things. And then go for beyond topics like memory design and FIFO, all those things. And for digital VLSI, you can follow Indonesian Gupta IIT Kharagpur for Verilog, and as well as for physical design testing, and Janki Raman for basic understanding for inverter and digital VLSI.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.